Apoy mi karon guys pag upaminahuman og brush. So what I'm going to do, kaya waiting sa akong busing kay nagwalking. So oh, I have my friend. Do you remember that my friend is here? Look, my friend eating. Oh, see, so look, hi, can you see? Can you see that? They feel that there's so init kay guys. Ang panahon nga wala lang ko ni masakay, nagbantay man ko ni Lula. So my face is very big already. Look, see? I'm bigger already. So maybe by July 15 I started, or 17 I started to exercise, because my look is very fat, so my tummy also is fat, so I'm very full of eating. Less than exercise, so maybe next time I'll grab that. So babu, bye bye. Look, see my hand. You look, the sun is there. Look, it's the light, the shadow. Oh, it's very hot, you know. So even my hand, I feel hot because the sunrise there. Look, see, that's the sunrise, sunset.